Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix 3 of the most common drywall repairs here in one video. Drywall and plaster cracks, miscuts around electrical boxes during drywall installation, and doorknob holes. The Ultra Patch will go right over that doorknob hole. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you how to skim coat over all 3 of the drywall patches. From Straight Flex that's going to help make this super simple. It's a composite tape which is super strong. All we have to do is put some mud on the back and stick it right over the outlet. So stay tuned. I'm using an all-purpose joint compound and a piece of cardboard so I can lay down the outlet patch on it and apply the joint compound to the back of the patch. You just want to go back and forth until you get about 1/8 of an inch of joint compound on the whole back. Then just peel it up and stick it right around the outlet. Make sure it covers the holes on both sides. Now you want to hold it in place and just take your 6-inch taping knife and go around the perimeter, squeezing out the joint compound. Now you just want to go lightly over it. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Paul, and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my latest videos. Keep in mind this is the first coat, so it doesn't have to be pretty. You just want to skim it pretty tight. Alright, so I'm going to repair this stress crack with crack tape by Straight Flex. It's a composite tape that's super strong. You want to cut out what you need, the length of the crack. So we're going to go, you need a pair of scissors or a razor knife or some kind of snips. It's strong. Again, you want to concentrate it on one part of the knife. Then you want to go from the center out. The directions call to go over, once you've got it bedded, go over it one more time with a light coat. Doorknob or just some wear and tear abuse, I'm going to use the Ultra Patch, which is a composite drywall patch. Going to need you a piece of cardboard just to cover the back side of this. center the hole. You want to squeeze most of the compound out so it sits as flat as possible on the wall. Then one more round of mud over the top of that. Okay, so we've let it dry about 2.5 hours and it's ready to get remudded. So first I'm going to go ahead and scrape around it, and what we're going to need to do is mud, because whenever you lay something on top of the drywall, it's going to build it out a little. So you're going to want to make it blend better around the perimeter of the tape. So here, here. This is going to be easy. It's almost flat as it is. So we're just going to go right over the top of that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and scrape it. Not a lot of spots that I have to scrape. Time for the second coat of all-purpose joint compound. Mud on the side, concentrated. All right, I'm going to go over the hole I covered up with the ultra patch. I mean, it's really good now. There's a little indentation right in the middle where the hole was, but not much. This coat's definitely going to cover it up. Pressure on the left side and just barely raising the right side so I don't leave a line. All right, going to do the second coat along the outside of the tape to make it all flush. here's the third and final coat. We haven't done any sanding whatsoever. On this third and final coat, I'll be using my 12-inch drywall taping knife to apply the all-purpose joint compound. I'm going to go ahead and skim the rest of this wall out. I'm going to treat it like it's just a regular wall, and that's what I would normally do if I had this many repairs on a wall. I'd go ahead and skim it out, either for a smooth finish or for retexturing. I'll leave a link in the YouTube card above with a playlist of all skim coating videos, including a video called "What is Skim Coating?" Okay, so here's all three repairs that have been 3-coated and a skim coat put over them. Now it's ready for sanding. All right, time to sand the drywall repairs. Whenever you're sanding drywall, wear a 2-strap respirator mask. Don't get the cheap paper mask with 1 strap. Get the 2-strap. All right, I'm using a sanding sponge, 150 grit. Just going back and forth, anything I see. Then you want to feel it, because you can feel stuff that you can't see. So there's a spot, gonna hit that. The skim coat really smooths out the wall, so it's not gonna take a lot of sanding. So there it is, ready for primer and paint. Let me know in the comment section what kind of drywall repair you're working on, or if you have a video request for me. And if you want to learn how to repair your own drywall, perfect your drywall skills, match textures, get tips and tricks from a 20-year drywall and painting contractor, then start right now by hitting the round icon in the center of the screen now to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.